Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add multiple questions to your poll or questionnaire or forum on Google Forms. So let us get started. So let me head over to Google Poll and start that poll here. Let me give it a title like, I don't know, my forum or something like that, number 1. And now it's time to add your first question. Usually you see the first question on default, however I removed it for another tutorial. So if you'd like to add your first question, click into this plus button here and add your first question, Q1 for example. After that you may select the question or answer type here to the right, like multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down, short answer, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to add a second question, guys, there are 2 ways how you can do this. You either repeat the same process by clicking into that add question button and give your second question a title, add options, select the question or reply type here. That's one option. Alternatively, guys, if you would like to use your questions as a template and simply copy them, there's that duplicate button here. Click into it and that is going to duplicate your question so that you now all you have to do is to simply change or add slight or little changes to your duplicated or copied question, but keep the same style, keep the same format from the previous question, guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.